Well, good morning. Today is the 4th and I will continue with the cleaning project. Right now I'm thinking a heated garage would be nice because it's really cold. Yeah, I'm thinking what to do about this because this spot here is really worn and looks ugly. And it's also quite visible on the bike later, so I'll have to think about something there. Okay, quite frustrating. I just did a super long hyperlapse when I was cleaning the frame, but my phone decided not to save the video file, so it's gone. But however, the frame is now cleaned. Progress so far. These parts are clean. The next project is to clean out the carburetor. Alright, carb is cleaned. Now next project is the rims. My plan is to paint them. Yeah, I'm not so sure that will be a good idea, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to sand them now. Little bit change of plan. I couldn't sand the rims because they were so dirty. The rubber was full of old sand from the track, so I had to power wash them first. So now they will have to dry until tomorrow, then I will continue.